If you're out on the market for some new headphones or possibly earbuds, today's episode is just for you. We have the soundcore Space A40 noise cancelling earbuds with charging case. It's pretty cool, along with the soundcore Q45 noise cancelling headphones. So we're going to get both these out of the box, let you guys know what we think, all in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How is it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure you are subscribed where you are seeing this episode. Today we have the soundcore Space series. We have some earbuds along with some noise cancelling headphones. We have all the links and details to the soundcore headphones and earbuds located in the description. Well, first thing is first, let's get them both out of the box and see what we get. So we've got the Space A40 and the Space Q45. Both of these are by soundcore, and that's by Anker. The Space series is by soundcore, and that is an audio division of Anker. So first thing is first, let's get the earbuds out and see what we get. And there we nicely have the product placed. Let's get it up and take the plastic off. Very nice case. It's got a lovely feel to it. On the back we have our USB-C port. Definitely get that charged up. When you open it up, the hinge feels real nice and tight. We have the charge level LEDs on the front. Yes, you can see it when I open and close it like that. Then the earbuds setting nicely inside. Let's go ahead and get these pieces torn off so they will be charging, so we can test them out. It will go in there nicely like that. Very nice. These earbuds have a very nice feel to them. Now they will charge. Let's see what else we get in the box. We've got some paperwork. This is our soundcore quick start guide. Then we have a USB-C cable to charge it. We'll get that in there for the case, get it ready for charging. Then we have some extra earbud tips under here so you can keep them safe, stored away until you need them. And that's everything you get out of the earbuds, the Space A40. Now let's get the noise canceled and playtime extended. This is the Space Q45. Let's get the plastic cut. I am excited for these. I really dig over the ear headphones. So, same thing. Lifts right up. Oh, we get a case. Love cases, especially with over the ear headphones. Also have some paperwork. Wow, Space series. It's got a placer right in the bottom so you can see how they go. You don't have to use that if you don't want to, but you can keep that. You have your charging cables right here, as well as an aux cable. Oh, that will be handy. Then these headphones feel great. Really digging them. It's got logos left and the right, so you know which ear these go on. The headband is fully adjustable, flexible. On the bottom right here we have the play and pause button, our volume controls, the aux input, the USB-C input, power button, and the noise cancellation button. And of course some nice branding on these earmuffs. Lovely black color, totally digging it. You have mic ports right here for taking in phone calls and everything, I'm sure. So let's look into this and let you guys know what we think. So every journey sounds good with personal space using the Space series headphones by soundcore. Also earbuds. Now both of these have pretty much the same specs, and I think that is freaking awesome. Like, they both have a total of 50 hours. Now with the earbuds, you do have to use 10 hours at a time before recharging with the charging case, but both soundcore series have a total of 50 hours of playtime. That is pretty stunning for me. But most importantly, with the newly upgraded noise cancelling system, you can reduce noise by 98%. And that is adaptive noise cancelling. It will automatically scan your surroundings and pick out the noise and take that out, giving you a much clearer sound, as well as taking that adaptive noise cancelling and using it on the mic as well. And of course, with the pioneering drivers, you get a double layered diaphragm for sound with strong bass, clear mids, and a bright treble. And the LDAC transfers 3 times more detail than standard Bluetooth codecs for a detail-rich listening experience. And not to mention upgrading your calls and communication with AI-enhanced calls. And for the soundcore Space Q45 adaptive noise cancelling headphones, you basically get the same exact experience, but with over-the-ear headphones instead of earbuds. Although you do get a couple of extra perks, like the 50 hours of playtime comes directly from the headphones instead of having to be recharged after 10-hour playtime periods. But also giving you that double layer diaphragm in the drivers, producing a bright sound with strong bass, and high-res wireless sound from the Bluetooth, giving you 3 times more detail, just like the earbuds. But overall, both of these soundcore devices are superior, and I'm definitely enjoying them. Whichever one you prefer, whether it's earbuds or over-the-ear headphones, is up to you, and I love how you can get either preference loaded down with the same features. So if you're out on the market looking into some new sound devices, I would highly recommend taking a look at these by soundcore. We have all the links and details located in the description, as well as we would love to give a huge shout out to soundcore for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a like and get it in the comments letting us know what you prefer, noise cancelling earbuds or noise cancelling headphones. We'd love to know. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next review.